Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what's in the box. This saves time. Unpack the BlackShark V2 X, the 3.5mm cable and any inline adapter. Next, choose your platform PC, PS4/PS5 or Xbox controller and locate the correct 3.5mm port so you don't swap mic and audio. Once decided, plug the cable firmly into the headset and the device. If using PC and you want advanced features, download Razer Synapse Now to grab equalizer and mic controls before continuing. Now connect step by step. Insert the 3.5mm cable into the headset jack, then into your device. Use the split adapter for separate mic and headphone ports. On a PC, open sound settings and set the BlackShark as both default output and default communication device. Set mic level to around 70% to start. If you installed Synapse, open it and select the headset to adjust EQ, surround emulation, and mic gain. Make sure in-game audio matches system levels, so voices and effects. Finish by testing. Make a quick voice call and play in-game audio to confirm chat and sound. Adjust the inline volume and mic monitoring until levels feel natural. You want clear voice without clipping. If you get no sound, reseat all plugs and try a different port or phone to isolate hardware. Also check system mute and app permissions. A reliable troubleshooting tip: set the Windows sample rate to 48,000 Hz in sound properties. Mismatched sample rates often cause no audio or crackling issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.